Hi and welcome to Happy Sewing. In this video, I'm making this simple beanie. Before we start, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. Make sure to check out my Patreon. I just started it and I'm working so hard to fill it with useful sew-related stuff, including the pattern I'm using in this video. All the patterns I use will be available on Patreon very soon. In this video, we need scissors, rotary cutter, glue pen, clips and pins. And of course the fabric. We start by preparing the fabric. For this beanie we are only going to cut 2 pieces. I fold the fabric twice to get them both at the same time. I use scissors here to get it nice and even. The fabric I'm using is jersey. It's a thin stretch fabric, perfect for a beanie. This is what they should look like. I put them on top of each other like this. Then I add clips around the edges. I use glue to make sure that they are edge to edge. I turn it and do exactly the same on the other side. I'm using my brother overlock machine. This machine cuts the edges for me. You can use a regular sewing machine, just make sure that the edges are a bit smoother than mine. We are closing this gap at the top of the beanie. I use glue and clips like this, then I sew it. It's time to turn the fabric the right way out. Fasten the threads, close the last gap and sew it. That's it. Fasten the loose threads, fold the beanie, and we are done. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We recommend these videos for you, and remember to check out our Patreon page. You find the link in the description. Thanks for watching.